Hey beauties, have you ever wished for a secret shortcut to feeling instantly transformed? Imagine starting your day with a little magic, something so simple, yet it changes everything. What if you could shift your entire vibe in just seconds? We all know those days, rushing from one thing to the next, barely a moment to breathe. From powering through work, to spontaneous meetups with friends, and maybe even a night out you didn't see coming. Who really has time for a full beauty overhaul? Not me, and I bet not you either. But what if I told you there's one little thing that can completely flip your look? No effort required? I promise it's not what you expect, but it's about to become your new obsession. I can't get enough of it, and soon you won't either. We're about to create a whole day-to-night transformation with just 3 shades. Are you ready to see how? This is the beauty hack you'll wish you'd known sooner. Flawless from sunrise to midnight. I always say, beauty is more than what you see. It's how you feel. It's your signature, your statement to the world. It's how you show up, no matter what the day brings. And with the right formula, that confidence lasts all day. The color payoff is unreal, and the staying power absolutely next level. Okay, let's start with the morning. This is your 9 to 5 look, your running errands glam, your eye woke up like this vibe. For this, we need a beautiful, soft, matte liquid lipstick. Dusty rose, peachy nude, soft beige pink. Think of my shade Bombshell. That perfect subtle enhancer. Start with clean, exfoliated lips. A little lip balm first, then blot. Line with the doe foot applicator. Start at the Cupid's bow for a perfect shape. Fill in with one thin, even coat. Don't press your lips together. Let it dry for about a minute. Locks it in and makes it transfer-proof. Sip your morning latte without leaving a mark. Versatile with your work uniform, sharp blazer and trousers, or a cute knit sweater and jeans. Understated elegance, keeps focus on fresh skin and bright eyes. Confident and capable, not trying too hard. The cool girl look. Foundation for the rest of the day. Reliable base for transformations. Apply in the morning and forget about it. Won't smudge or fade through tasks. Reliable beauty so you can slay your goals. So, the workday is over and the sun is starting to set. It's that golden hour and you have plans. Maybe you're meeting your friends for happy hour, going on a casual date. You don't have time to redo your whole face, but you want to elevate your look. This is where our second lipstick comes in to save the day. It's time for a bolder, more playful shade. A vibrant berry, a hot pink, a beautiful coral red. This color instantly wakes up your face and adds a dose of personality. First, gently remove your daytime nude lipstick with a makeup wipe or with micellar water on a cotton pad. I love a shade like my trophy wife. A gorgeous rosewood, bold but wearable. Use the applicator to carefully line your lips. A bolder color needs a crisper line, so take your time. Then fill it all in. This one pop of color makes it look like you spent so much more time getting ready. This lipstick completely changes the vibe of your outfit. That same work blazer now looks edgy and fashionable. Your jeans and t-shirt suddenly look like a planned, stylish ensemble. It's an instant confidence booster. You'll walk into the room, and that pop of color on your lips will be the first thing people notice. The sun is down, the city lights are on, and it's time to be the star of the show. This is for the big events, my loves. Fancy dinner, glamorous party, night out dancing with your girls, pure drama, pure confidence, pure you. And that means it's time for our third and final lipstick. The deep, dramatic, vampy shade. Rich burgundy, deep chocolate brown, classic bold red. A shade like my Vixen is perfect for this. It's a deep, brownish red that is so sophisticated and sexy. This color is not for the faint of heart. It's for the woman who owns the night. Application for a dark lip is key, so let's get it perfect. Because this shade is so deep, I recommend using a lip liner in a matching color. Carefully trace the outline of your lips to create a super sharp, defined shape. This will also prevent the color from bleeding. Then take your dark liquid lipstick and apply one even coat inside the lines. Let it dry completely. A dark lip is a statement, so you want it to be flawless.